All right, Vanguard team, I just want to show you what we've done here. So basically, this is a beautiful machine for our friends down at Farouk out in Texas. What I was hoping to do, sorry, it's a little noise over there. What I was hoping to do was to use the existing setup and make it work for your bottles. We're about 96% of the way there. But some of the things that we need to do, we can do this. We can definitely do this. It's actually really close. One of the things that we need to do is to get the right accessories on. We've improvised. These are not the right spring gates here for your thing. And this, you can see, we actually just built this as a little frame with double rollers. It's actually supposed to be one big roller over here, just so I can squeeze these through. Just to finish it off. So the reality is for such a precise application like yours, I am going to need to do it's really close just as it is, but I am going to need to build the right pieces, and in order to do that, unfortunately, I have to wait till we get back from the holiday season. So everything is here, everything was filled and ready to go. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to jog a few through for you. I just want to show you the basics of the machine, just so you have an understanding of what we're doing here. So Jean, what we'll do is we're just going to jog this through very slowly. I'm going to show you the different steps on your machine. So this is the spacing belt. And by the way, Jean is jogging this through. You want to just turn the screen, Jean? I just want to show you. Thanks, man. So this is a jog function right here. So when we hit this, it goes, and when we take it off, it stops, and everything is totally synchronized to the speed of the conveyor as such. It's a really simple system. Sorry, man, thank you. So basically, you put it through the spacing wheel here. It'll separate them if needed. Stop, please. Thanks, man. This is the Pathfinder. This is the alignment belt. So when this comes through a little bit skewed, it goes through here and it straightens it out. Then it will hit the top clamping belt. Okay, and then we have our two labeling heads, the front and back labeling heads. This is a clear label sensor on here. It works for clear and it works for opaque. So basically, it will come through over the wipe gate. I mean, we had to put on custom peel plates just to try to get this done for you. These are spring gates. These spring gates here are going to be required to be a little bit bigger and a little bit differently built. But this is what I had on hand. So that's what these are. These are spring metal plates with Teflon tape on them. The whole thing will come through under the top clamping belt. Obviously, it won't be a wood harness over here. We'll have one big special roller over here, and it'll pull it through, and the whole thing will come out perfect. We know we can do it. We've done it before. I was just trying to improvise it for you, like I said, and I couldn't get it 100%, so I can't do all of these bottles and ship them back to you, because that would just be a waste, as you're going to have a tiny little crease in the label once in a while until I have the right accessories. So all that said, John, just jog it through, please, and stop it in the middle of the label, please. Thanks. So you can see the total control over your machine. And what I'm going to do, Jean, is we're just going to jog it through on and off, on and off. I just want to show them the spring gates, what's happening there. We'll do that. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, so the spring gate there, the function of it, of course, is to smear the label from the fronts to the end, and then we'll bring it through a set of rollers over here to squeeze it. And like I said, these aren't the right ones. So maybe just jog it through the rollers, please, man. Thanks. So then it comes through, and it'll go through the roller sequence there. And again, these were totally improvised just for today. Okay, so if you just put it through, Jean, I'm going to take it out. Thanks, man. Okay, so what we have, I mean, the back, I don't know if you can see, the back is actually perfect on this one. So some of them come out perfect, and then this one's got the tiniest little crease just to the left. Let's see if I can get that for you. Just to the left of the F in France. The right side is good, actually. The left side is just the tiniest little crease. So like I said, I just need to play with this a little bit more and put the right accessories on, and we'll totally be able to get that. Same thing here, the tiniest little crease just at the France level, the tiniest little crease. And the back looks really good on this one. Just a tiny crease on the right there. And what you're always going to get is a little bit of play on this bottle. Just a tiny bit of movement, and because of that, the right accessories are imperative, okay? So that's it. That's my summary for you right now. And the first week of January, we'll get this fixed up and we'll send back your we'll do it, we'll show you, and then we'll send back the bottles to show you what the results will be. Undoctored. I want you to see exactly what you're going to get. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.